Greetings to my lovely people where they watch me. Wonders shall never end. Hey, our pastors don't start again with all these their fake miracles up and down. And this one they happen inside Zimbabwe. I say this pastor, all in the name of healing and deliverance, he carry person, made the person put the shit on top of altar. Say now so in they wash out the evil spirits come out from the person body. Say if the person shit am out, and so the evil go free from his body. But before I continue, my people, make now follow me watch.
Come out! Come out! Come out! Come out! Look at the power of God now. Are you seeing the power of God now? Are you seeing the power of God now?
Hey, I beg waiting be this for God's sake. Even God self, I give very certain say he no go accept this one. Now we go consider and they watch person shit on top of live television. All in the name of deliverance. I beg since when God add all this one to in delivering process. Because me, I don't know say all these new techniques now don't add and to them. Person will be saying don't go in house, go chop beans for 5 days. Come here now, come the shit nonsense shit they give us in they wash out the devil. I beg great devil enter you. I even need to ask, I beg who go pack this shit. Because first of all, this pastor devil don't come out from person where they wash away the devil. So when the person shit now he still don't come out from the woman's side. So who will even pack this whole thing now? And I'm not even facing at the altar of God. Sometimes now we're thinking now go carry us to perish. I think say God there against dirtiness. It's high time we Africans we comot all this bizarre mentality, all this nonsense mentality. Say evil they pursue us, sometimes something they do us. Sometimes nothing they do you. Now food where you chop, now they disturb you. So I don't see why you go carry this one now, can't go enter church. They carry and say, na person and they follow you. I know this pastor say, on our own, it don't even tire me. If I talk, people go talk saying, I be criticize pastors. No be say I they criticize pastors. Why be say then this pastor say, they know they behave like man of God. Person will be say, get my pull in full pants on top of national television to she. On I shall say this pastor said, no, why they summon this woman for one side. Because now so it start. Now so they go talk say, okay, open your legs, spread and wipe, pull your pants. I want to remove evil from your vagina, and you say go gree, do one. Now so our mentality don't low reach. May God kuku just come judge everybody because the way things they go now, I don't even know who be real pastors. Most of the fake pastors now don't take the whole of Africa, especially Africa. Now we they find miracle up and down, and now we they always use as target. Now why they always scam us, and still as they scam us, and so we know they still wise. But anyway, I will say this one now go use and link because to me, I don't know what I want to talk again. We don't talk tire. Still, people still they do all that things all in the name of miracle, and I know one doing link. So anything when I see, making the reason I take them. My people, now here I go end them on this matter. Making us stay tuned for our next story. One Ghana lady don't come outside they lament about the bad condition of how their road dey inside this community. And what make this lady they really even come outside now because she they complain say this bad road don't lead to the fact say she know the greasy husband. Say because no suitor they gree come inside their community again because of say the road bad. So men now don't they run away from them. Hey, my people beg make now follow me watch.
Kama wale ke hu ana se kan bla ya kwan ti ka bedru ha kra wo se ya kwan ya na o masan o mo ware ye hu ha basa se ya kwan arabes fo nko a o mo take na o mo jiska na se ya kunu no ma o mo be ware ye ebe hu sa kwan we na arabes be ka tro mo dia san na o mo be san akọ nti enya ware.
Hey, I know some no go understand this one. But what is this lady they really complain about? Say, now the fact say wait. Say the road they bad enough where be say if person even come this kind of place to even come back again, it go hard you to come. Say now what if they actually drive men away? Say if person drive in motor comes okay fine no I see one fruit where be say I won't come pluck. Later on this man no go come again because by the time we go down to jogo on top of road, boys go down the penna. Ain't go reason say okay make no kuku even come again. And say another worst part now say this road don't turn to spots for armed robbers. They don't turn this place now to their local spot. If person they pass, they go just go there, go block them. Because they don't say no how, you know go see road to pass. If you don't block for them, you don't block for them. And I know say this road as I dey see am na so clay sand, red sand. Wey be saying any small thing say person don sick, make una come even reason am if rain fall. Wetin go happen for here? And I no come understand our government. Shey they know say all these places be like this? Abi they just dey decide say they no wan work on all this kind thing. So government, this lady they call out on her, say make una find something to come do about this road. I know say people go dey look and say dey funny, say she dey reason am on the side of say she no see her husband. But she dey somehow right. She go to a point. Because I beg which husband go drive through this kind of bad road, come say okay, as him come, nobody go grade one. Even if say no be husband, because you know say fine, no be road, person they use they find love. But make we come out that side apart. Government suppose know their work. President Nanado, you they fly up and down, you and Buhari. They go for different occasions, but the necessary things where they inside na land, na never do. So I beg, and this one will call on you. If you know say you no go free represent, now why they get MPs? Tell your MP, make him go fix this road, allocate money to them. No be money will be said that will just go chop, make na monitor the project, make na make sure say they fix this land for these people. My viewers, now here I will take break on this matter. Make na stay tuned for our next story. Wahala dey oh my people, hey, wonder shall never end. The kind things where people they desperate now they do it, they surprise me. They just bust one man and his wife. These people they sell stolen goods. And based on information I hear say this man will go break into people's warehouse. Go carry their market, if na shoe, if na bag, na so this man will go pack them. When they resell them. To people in say 500. Person market will be saying using sweat, but you go come go thief and come they sell them anyhow. My people, before I continue, make you follow me watch.
Okay, and you say you don't know that your husband is a thief.
I don't know that he's thieving. I know that somebody that is fine that is giving him the market to be selling. When he's selling, did
you reach out? Did you reach out to Friday?
Sir?
Did you reach out to Friday that are you the one that is giving my husband?
Because two of them have done business before. That's why I'm not going to answer.
And it's overnight. Your husband used to bring the goods at home.
Yes. She said that is the one giving her, that you don't want the younger ones to know about it. That's why she's giving her overnight.
Okay. This is the man, the thief. These are all the shoes he stole from Friday's warehouse and sold them at the rate of 500 naira each.
Okay, now.
And your type is behind the bar.
You know, say he thought before, say, the day we will flow, now he carry one carton. Now one carton. This is now one carton. Now one carton. You don't say, you say, I already this man. You say, you already this one already. This one already.
You have the spare key. Come here. You have the spare key. You have the spare key. Where can we get the spare key? Go and bring the spare key. How you take the entire place? How you take the carry all this thing?
Before this matter will go far, how you take the entire that way? How many side you carry for this one? How many side you carry for this one? Can't you this one? This one don't pass. Not be one side. How many carry for windows? How many carry? This one no dey for window. This one no dey for window. This one no dey for window. This is a bag. How many carry? Now one will be this. How many for this man? Okay, wait. I don't give them.
This man a lie. This man a lie.
But some women say, "Una suppose the question on her husband." Because now you use your mouth to say this man they offload this load for midnight. You never for once ask and say which market they open for midnight. If not be saying be which shop we don't say they open at midnight, you they always carry your own market on the offload for inside house. And what did they vex me pass now? If say this man even sell these shoes for a good amount, we go no say fine and good if you pay the these people back. He go sell and banjo select. And I know say some ladies self when they watch on herself go don't buy. Because we know say ladies and cheap things will be 5 and 6. And I go don't say that they sell this one and I go don't rush. Not knowing say some of these market where these people they carry go like this na stolen market. The guy now come they blame devil. Say na because of hunger. I beg which kind hunger? Hunger no make you buy this shoe at the normal price. Sell them at your own price and get your gain. You can't decide say na to go the stiffer. But this guy now, in they claim saying they go they collect this thing from the window. I'm not sure saying from window, this person go fit for all this amount of things. Are they very certain say this man get an insider where they walk inside this warehouse? They're supposed to carry this man and his wife go police station where they go do investigation work. I not go even add the wife because the wife don't know anything about this one. Now the man I carry the problem come out. May they investigate the matter well because person ain't go the supplier. Person no go just they go they take this kind amount of goods. God talk say na from window in the picker from lie. May they press this man well, beat and well, are they very certain say he go use his mouth confess. But I beg him for the sake of next time. All these whole things, disgrace they carry put for the family front and the children for, and I'm not supposed to do. Because make a reason how this pikin won't grow up, they think say my papa na thief. And I for just carry them go police station, all this disgrace when I won't do it. And I give them for care. Make the children know they part. Because for no reason I just cause one emotional trauma to them, these kids. Forever they will continue to the reason say my papa na thief in be or my mama na thief in be. So sometimes if we do something, make we reason them before we take our actions. My people now here I go end up on this matter. Make us stay tuned for our next story.